y'all, so we are back with a new video, and today we're going to be doing something a little bit different in the spirit of 2022 new year, changing things up. I want to do a little project. So for my project today, oh my god, so for my project today we are going to be DIYing some cowboy boots. Now I found these, I thrifted them, they're pretty cool. They are not leather, which I think will probably make it better, but we're gonna be painting them. I wanted to find a pair of boots that were like really cool and like really unique, but you know what? They're so expensive. Like if you're gonna buy those, you have to buy them new. They're gonna be like $400 or $500, maybe even like $2,000, depending on the boot and like, sorry, I'm so out of breath. The boot, you know, materials, how much intricacy and like work went into it, which like I'm sure they're worth that, like no doubt in my mind. Like to make a pair of cowboy boots, like it's probably so much work, and then to make them like different colors and like crazy, and like the patterns on them and like all the stitching, like all of like this pattern stitching on like an actual boot, like I'm sure that's like a lot of freaking work. So like I get it, but like girl doesn't make that much, so we're gonna DIY some and I'm gonna see if it turns out. So these are the boots in question. Okay, so I found some pictures, I'll pop them up here, of like what I'm kind of going for, but what we're going to do is, if you see this pattern, this part inside kind of goes all the way around, and then there's one little bit, and that's the same on the front, sorry, the front and the back. So I'm gonna go with kind of a blue as the main color, the white's gonna go in the interior, and then I'm thinking on the heel, we're gonna do some kind of white-red combo situation. Yeah, so let's, I'll grab my paint and I'll show you what I got. So these ones right here. So like, I'm pretty sure there's a leather bottom on them, but like this, I don't think it's leather. Like, I don't know, the inside might actually, I don't know, but like this outside bit doesn't feel like leather. Yeah. So we're going to be doing some painting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow this pattern in here, and I think I'm just gonna do like on either side here, I'm gonna do the inside, same on like the reverse, and then maybe do something a little bit more fun on like the toe heel area or something. And I haven't picked my colors yet. I'm gonna scour Pinterest for some ideas, and then I'll pop them up here in the video, and then we'll get started after I give them a little wash. I'm just gonna get some just water and wipe them down. Oh, and then I wanted to throw some yellow on too. So maybe it'll be yellow and blue, not yellow and white, and then the red, or the white with the red on the heel. We'll see. I'm gonna start just by doing a white base anyway, so. But what I got for paint is the Mona Lisa acrylic. So it just looks like this. Hopefully it'll turn out. I just got these off of Amazon, so that's pretty chill. It was like pretty cheap, so hopefully it's not like cheap quality. And then I'll be mixing the white and the blue to get kind of the color that I want. We've got red and then the yellow, and then honestly I might throw in some pink and purple just so that we have like a bit of like a rainbow, and then it matches everything. I think I want to do more of like an orangey kind of yellow rather than a yellow, so I'm gonna do that or mix them together. Maybe even a touch of green. I don't know, I might get a little crazy with the flower thing on the back heel. Yeah, we'll just see how it goes, so stay tuned and see how it turns out. Hey, welcome back. So it's been a couple of days since we did the boots, but this is the finished product. So I've worn them out once now, so they do have a little bit of marks on them, but they turned out pretty good. As you can see where they bend, it did start coming off a little bit. So I'm gonna see if maybe there's a way that I can fix that, put like glue over it even, so it makes it more like elasticity, more flexible. But other than that, they turned out like so great. I am so stoked about them. I'm still not happy with the yellow color. I think I want it like a little bit more toned down. But that's fine, I can just repaint it and then I can try to fix this situation when I do that. They're so cute. I'm gonna insert some pictures of them here so you can kind of take a look what they're like in the real life. Other than that, I just want to say, sorry, I'm like squatting right now. I just want to say thanks for watching the video. Hopefully like this helps and maybe it inspires you guys to upcycle something new instead of just buying new stuff, and yeah, just get a little creative, have a little fun. These boots are literally $5 thrifted, so you know, if they didn't turn out, I'm like not super mad, but they turned out so sick, and I think they're just so cool, and I love them. I love them. I'm so excited about them, and I can't wait to wear them like everywhere. So I'm so out of breath. So yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully you got something out of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, I love me some DIYs, I love me some upcycles, I love thrifting, all that good stuff. So you can shoot a sister a like down below, and then hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And if not, I'll maybe see you on the next video. But yeah, peace out, chicas. Have a good one.